Is the search for reliable precision part and a conveyor chain always filled with uncertainty? What if certainty could be engineering?
For complex custom components, the challenge is balancing quality and cost when manufacturing intricate structures. From design for manufacturability, DFM analysis, and prototype iterations, to achieving high precision and surface finish through CNC machining, we maintain full control from raw materials to the finished product. This allows us to efficiently deliver reliable custom parts that comply with DIN, ASTM, GB, or other international standards. In applications such as mining energy, metallurgy, and heavy industry, conveyor chains must withstand shock loads, high wear, and high torque. By adopting pre-forged alloy steel links, specialized quenching and tempering treatment processes, and pre-tensioning technology, Matech creates high-strength and superior wear-resistant conveyor chains, enhancing overall durability and minimizing the risk of on-site failure to the greatest extent.
Choose Matech and you get lower management burden, reduced supply chain risk, and the unified standard of reliability throughout your bill of material. Bring your most challenging needs to Matech. We will become your most reliable partner.